Ever wonder why weight loss seems so complicated? Well, here's a secret. It doesn't have to be. What if I told you that just a few small changes, yes, small ones, can completely transform your weight loss journey? Stick with me, because in this video, I'm revealing 10 incredibly easy, practical, and life-changing weight loss hacks that you can start using today. These aren't extreme diets, no hardcore workouts, just simple, science-backed tweaks that actually work. The last hack is a total game changer. Trust me, you'll want to stick around until the end to hear it. Plus, I've got a little bonus surprise for you if you stay with me till the last second. So, hit that like button now if you're ready to change your habits for good, and let's dive right in. Hack number 1. Drink water before every meal. First up, the simplest of them all. Drink a glass of water before every meal. It's basic, but powerful. Why? Because water helps fill you up, so you naturally eat less. Studies have shown this can cut hundreds of calories from your daily intake without you even trying. For an extra twist, squeeze in some fresh lemon or throw in a few cucumber slices. Not only does it add flavor, but it gives your metabolism a gentle nudge too. Hack number 2. Use smaller plates. Ever feel like your plate looks half empty when you're eating less? That's because your brain plays tricks on you. The fix? Use smaller plates. This simple hack makes your portion sizes look bigger, so you feel satisfied without overindulging. Oh, and here's a pro tip. Choose brightly colored plates. Some studies suggest it can even help you eat less. See how easy these first 2 hacks are? Just wait. Things are about to get even better. The next few tips could save you time, money, and energy while getting you closer to your goals. Hack number 3. Prioritize protein. Protein is your weight loss BFF. Why? Because it keeps you feeling fuller for longer and curbs those sneaky cravings. Think of it as your hunger shield. Not sure where to start? Try adding lean options like eggs, chicken, tofu, beans, or a quick protein shake to your meals. Small tweaks here can lead to big results over time. Hack number 4. Sleep your way slim. You might not realize this, but poor sleep can ruin your weight loss efforts. When you don't get enough rest, your hunger hormones go haywire, making you crave sugary and fatty foods. The solution? Aim for 7 to 9 hours of good quality sleep every night. Create a bedtime routine, ditch those late-night screens, and watch how your energy and your weight improve. Hack number 5. Fiber is your friend. Let's talk about fiber. It's your secret weapon against hunger and sluggish digestion. Foods like fruits, veggies, beans, and whole grains are packed with fiber, keeping you full and supporting your gut health. Here's an idea. Start your day with oatmeal or add chia seeds to your snacks for an easy fiber boost. Hack number 6. Ditch liquid calories. Sodas, sugary coffees, and fruit juices might taste great, but they're full of empty calories. Instead, swap them for water, herbal tea, or sparkling water. You'll save hundreds of calories every day without even noticing. Hack number 7. Never skip meals. Skipping meals might sound like a good idea, but it's not. It slows your metabolism and leads to overeating later on. Instead, aim for regular, balanced meals that keep your energy steady and your cravings under control. We're down to the last few hacks, and trust me, these are the ones you don't want to miss. Especially hack number 10. It's not what you're expecting, but it could completely change how you see progress. Hack number 8. Move more. No gym required. Think you need to hit the gym daily to lose weight? Think again. Small movements throughout the day can add up. Take the stairs, park farther away, walk during phone calls, or even dance around the house. Every little bit counts. Hack number 9. Smart snacking saves the day. When hunger strikes, be prepared. Keep healthy snacks like nuts, fruits, or yogurt on hand to avoid reaching for junk food. A little planning goes a long way in staying on track. Hack number 10. Progress, not perfection. Here's the big one. Stop obsessing over the scale. Instead, focus on how you feel, your energy levels, how your clothes fit, or even how much stronger you've become. And there you have it. 10 powerful hacks to simplify weight loss and make it work for you. Quick recap. Drink water before meals, eat more protein, ditch liquid calories, and don't skip meals. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. You've got this. One small step at a time.